Today we are showing how to use AnyDesk. We are showing A to Z. At first go the Googles and write down the AnyDesk and press enter. Then there have a Windows option, also Mac option. Which device you are using, you just click here and go here. There have the Mac and then have the Windows. Now I am using the Windows, so we are giving download for Windows. This few seconds is the downloading because this is the small apps. Then click here, then need to the install, just double click here. After double click, they have showing this type of windows. There have the install AnyDesk. So click in here, then accept and installs, then yes. After few minutes there have come from AnyDesk. There have AnyDesk coming. My main installation is done. Now they are giving some instruction for AnyDesk printer. My installation is done. When the installation done, they have showing this one. You just cross this one. They have the showing your ID. How to send ID for remote connection. So you just have two options. You just tell this ID or you just write this ID and send anywhere. Now we are just right click and copy this address. Then address you can using like WhatsApp. I am sending my just for checking. When I copy, when I paste, there only text here. When you copy this invitation text, just invitation in view. There have also create links for AnyDesk. Also they are downloading, then their invitation. This is the sending for codes. When other user they are finding a code, they're giving request like I show you. I am copy this address and send this users, paste, then send. When the user is receiving this address, they are sending me an AnyDesk request. I show you when the request is coming, what are you doing. Just wait, the AnyDesk request is coming. There have AnyDesk request coming. When you give the accept, other one they can access your PC and all everything access. When there have and not have permission, you need to the permission is all checkbox all. Sometimes there have a not in like click in not in here. Lot of checkbox is not automatic. Sometimes it's not always. When not have, you just click here, and when you access your PC, this time you click accept. When you not access your PC, this time dismiss. Now you are giving accept. Now you see I am not using my mouse. Other one they are using my mouse. Also clicking. Also all everything. Thank you. This is the AnyDesk policy.